My name is Abigail Riles, and I'm going to be talking about hiring employees to run a business. Problems companies and businesses are having is finding people to hire to work for their company. Some of the problems are that some businesses require their workers to have the COVID-19 vaccine, and with some people's religious beliefs or personal opinions, causes companies a lot of time and work trying to find people to work for them when requiring vaccines for work. The COVID-19 vaccine is very controversial and causes people not to work in certain businesses because of it. The next issue is inflation. With today's economy, inflation has become a big problem in the working industry. It has become a major problem because everything in our economy is going up in price, which means people can no longer work for minimum wage to be able to live. So now that the inflation is very high, people are expecting to be paid more to be able to live and adjust to the new economy changes. The next problem is the virus is still going around. Some people still have very bad anxiety about being around other people and being out in public with the COVID-19 still going around because some people try to find jobs where they can work from home so that they will not have to be around any other people and be exposed to the COVID-19. The next problem is unemployment. With COVID-19 still being an issue in today's economy, people are staying living off unemployment because they are making more money off of being unemployed than they would being employed. So people take this as they should not work and just continue to get unemployment, which makes it harder for people to work, unless you are going to pay them more than what they are getting paid from unemployment. The next issue is childcare. This is a problem because a lot of daycares and schools are not completely open yet, which makes it harder for some parents to find school or daycare for the kids while they are at work. They may have waiting lists for certain schools and daycares, yet not a lot of these kids drop out of these waitings. The last problem is that a lot of places are now requiring a lot of skills and certifications to work for that company. This is making it very hard in some businesses because there are many people that are willing to work for this company. However, they may not have the skills or the certifications that are required to work for the company. How the labor market affects business. A lot of small businesses are increasing their capacity and operations. However, they do not have the sufficient amount of staff, which can make their jobs very difficult. If businesses were willing to pay their employees more money, it could possibly improve the situation. However, some business owners may be struggling and may not be able to afford to pay higher wages, and they may be offering their employees all they have already. Especially with inflation being so high, some small businesses are going to start going out of business. With supply and demand being so high in inflation, it is also hard for the businesses to stay on track. Some solutions that have been tried are that possibly bettering the work environment, which basically means to better your employees' environment by making sure their workspace is always clean. Allow them enough time in the day to clean their workspace so they can be organized and work harder. You also need to be sure to allow a lot of break time. With a clean workspace, this will make the employees feel less overwhelmed and will be able to get more work done in a day. Another solution tried is to make your work fun and interesting while remaining to be professional. This could be that maybe when you are needing to conduct a work meeting, allow people to sign up for certain foods to bring to be able to sit down and eat and talk about the changes that may need to be made in the business. In your business, you should also allow masks to be optional for your work environment. This allows your employees to be able to be themselves and feel comfortable at their place of work. This will also show your employees that you care about them and their feelings. Some positive effects from the solutions tried is that having a clean and organized workspace allows more growth from your employees and for your business. If you allow a decent amount of break time, this shows your employees that you are cared about, as well as making masks optional. This shows that you care about their beliefs and will make them want to work better and harder for you and your company. Having a fun yet professional workspace allows employees to be excited for work and will most likely work harder at their jobs. Proposed solutions. The proposed solutions for this is to look at their credentials. Be sure to always interview anyone you may be interested in hiring. When interviewing, be sure to always ask a lot of questions about that person, as well as their background, to get a good understanding of that person and their work ethic. Once you have hired your new employees, be sure to train the employees in all aspects of your business. That way, if one day you were short-staffed in one area, you could allow someone to move to a different area in the job for the day to help your other employees out in your business. The next best step is to give your employee daily tasks, which shows that if some of these tasks do not get done, you know which employee is not doing their job correctly, and it will be easy to give them consequences. Feasibility. What is feasibility? Feasibility is the state or degree of being easily or conveniently done. With that being said, these solutions will be paid for by the business owners. Business owners will pay for the consequences or hiring bad employees that aren't willing to give their all at work. These consequences may be paid with money and also time it has taken to train these employees that have either left or does not do their job to their full potential. Having good customer service is very important because customers are very important to have when owning a business. Without customers, you will have no business. In conclusion, always be clean and organized in your workspace. Be nice to your customers always. Show that you care. Give your best at work always, and be sure each employee is doing the same amount of work as other employees.